Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi for the month of September 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check out the signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi for the month of September 2025. So Capricorn, I see you guys being confused. There is definitely a lack of clarity. कोई चीज़ है जिसको लेके आप बहुत ज़्यादा तनाव में हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कनेक्टेड फील कर रहे हैं, आपको पता नहीं कि क्या डिसीजन लेना है, ये लूँ या वो लूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन है आपके अंदर ये मंथ, कोई चीज़ को लेके तो है। Now this could be a person that is like you could be confused about a person. This person could be a Libra or Aquarius or a Gemini, but there is a person in your life and you are unable to decide on this person. For many of you, this would mean that you getting clarity as the time, as the month goes on. So there are basically two scenarios, and since it's a general reading, either of these two will fit you. So for some of you, this would mean there is a person that you can decide upon. You are confused and you don't know what to do about them, how to decide upon them. और and the second scenario is कि स्टार्टिंग में आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं है, आप कंफ्यूज है कोई चीज़ लेके, बट एज द जितना दिन जाएगा, जितना आपको आप जितना आपके कॉन्शियसनेस से कनेक्ट करेंगे, सबकॉन्शियस से कनेक्ट करेंगे, आपको उतना ही क्लैरिटी मिलता जाएगा एंड इवेंचुअली यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी एंड बी इन पावर. नाउ let's look at what the other energies or other cards are there for you. Now when it comes to your career and finances, कोई चीज़ है जिससे आप बहुत पैशनेटली फील करते हैं, जिसको आप यू वांट टू परस्यू दैट, और एक्शन तो ऑब्वियसली है, ये मंथ आप एक्शन लेने वाले हैं करियर एंड फाइनेंशियल रिलेटेड. सो ओवरऑल आई सी प्रोग्रेस, आई सी सक्सेस, आई सी ग्रोथ एंड आई ऑल्सो सी यू फॉलोइंग योर पैशन. नाउ with the Knight of Wands as the energies this month for your career and finances, definitely आप आगे तो बढ़ रहे हैं एंड आप पैशनेटली बढ़ रहे हैं, बट you will also feel like you are not just rushing in. This is a very calculated move and a very passionate move as well. So जो भी आप डिसीजन लेंगे, जो भी आप एक्शन लेंगे, उससे आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा क्योंकि आपने सोच समझ के ही डिसीजन लिया है और आप नॉट जस्ट इमोशंस बट आप जो फील करते हैं उस हिसाब से आप एक्शन ले रहे हैं. सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ गुड साइन. नाउ when it comes to love and relationship, definitely some sort of proposal is coming your way. There is definitely good news coming your way. Fast communication is definitely coming your way. Also there is action, like progress basically coming your way. So for the people with the scenario one where there is a person in your life and you are confused about them, I see that you eventually getting their success and getting that clarity and finally moving on to a decision. Like finally you will be able to decide upon that person whether you want to move ahead or not, completely up to you, but you will definitely get clarity as the month goes along. And for the people of scenario 2 where it's you getting clarity, again the same thing, but it applies to you that as time goes on some sort of communication और कुछ न्यूज़ आपकी तरफ आएगा ये मंथ, as the time goes on. and you will definitely, will be able to call out the shots. You will definitely, like, you will be able to uh, take the decision for yourself on a more logical and practical kind of perspective. Now when it comes to your health, good energies with the 4 of Wands. हेल्थ वाइज वेरी गुड एनर्जीज, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है हेल्थ में. फैमिली रिलेटेड, फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताइए, आपको मेंटल हेल्थ इम्प्रूव होगा ऑब्वियसली. सिंस आपको कंफ्यूजन है आपके अंदर, क्लैरिटी नहीं है आपके अंदर, तो द मोर एंड ऑब्वियसली दैट मीन्स यू आर मेंटली नॉट very balanced, not very stable. Not stable but balanced, like not in a very good area. So mental health will improve as you spend more time with your family, with your loved ones, as you spend more time at home, and other, like, not just. And when it comes to your physical health, obviously good energies. So nothing to worry about when it comes to your health. Now moving on to the other energies, I see you, like, see, for some of you this could mean that you wanted to take action towards something, like I said, when it comes to your career and finances. But many of you will feel like I should take action, I should go and grab that opportunity. But the next moment you will feel कि नहीं, थोड़ा सोच लेता हूँ, थोड़ा और प्लान कर लेता हूँ, और थोड़ा चीज़ों को लाइक जज करके, चीज़ों को एनालाइज करके फिर डिसीजन लूँगा, बट अभी नहीं. सो आई सी दिस पैटर्न ऑफ about to take action, and then this taking yourself back, holding yourself back and not taking action. You're trying to understand something, you're trying to plan something, but, and this doesn't apply to everyone, this is for some of you. In the, like, for others this would mean not related to your career and finances, but there is the other sector where you are like in a planning kind of energy, a very slow and not taking action kind of energy. So again, two scenarios could be like applicable to any of you. Whatever suits you the most, take it. But yeah, there is this energy of not taking action as well. There is two energies, one is of taking action, the other is of not taking action. And the cards will be interpreted in two ways, because it's a general reading. So yeah, there is this energy of very much slow and steady kind of pace, related to at least any one sector of your life, could be multiple. Now the other energies, a lot of code cards, by the way, I forgot to mention. There are like 5 code cards in the reading. So again, a lot of people could be involved. For many of you, this could mean like there are 3 or 4 people involved currently in your life. This could mean like you may have 3 or 4 pursuers, or people you want to go after, or people who are after you. Either way, but there are multiple people involved. Now I see, like, this could be a partner, this could be a Cancer or a Scorpio or a Pisces, but I see there is a person who is very emotionally mature, who is very much stable, who is kind of knows their emotional dynamics. They kind of know what they want, they kind of know what they don't want, and they know what they want from you. They want to express their emotion towards you. They may not have done it, but they definitely know how they want to express their emotions, their feelings towards you. Now then there is this other person, like I said, there are multiple people. So there is this other person who is not that emotional, but a more logical kind of person. Again, this doesn't have to be romantic. This could mean your workplace, your family, but there is this other person who is very logical, who is very like authoritative, who is a leader obviously, but a very logical leader, like logical leader, a very calm and composed kind of person, and very mature mentally. So yeah, a lot of people are involved in this reading. So you should have your hands full currently. You know, mingling with them, managing them, handling how you deal with them. So this one, at least you're not gonna be alone. You are gonna have people around you, a lot of people around you. Now, the energy that you should focus upon is the Five of Pentacles. So you definitely need to take care of your finances, and you definitely need to take care of your health. Uh, Financial issues might arise for you this month, and you need to seek help from people if you need it. And I feel like you will definitely need it. But yeah, there could be financial issues for you, so do manage your finances, your income, your wealth properly and efficiently this month, because I definitely see some sort of monetary issues coming our way. So yeah, now let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you from the oracle card this month. Capricorn, you get sacrifice as well as Lord Ganesha. Sometimes surrender is painful. God's cutting away all that needs to go. Illusions, obsessions, addictions. It's a sacrifice to love. So some sort of sacrifice need to be made from your part, because you can't manage all the people at the same time. You need to sacrifice a few people to, I don't say like sacrifice in a negative way, but more like, letting them go so that your energies can be focused on one person, one true person. So yeah, some sort of sacrifice is definitely needed from you towards the divine, and this will eventually lead you to, get rid of that illusions, that obsession, and those addictions. So yeah, that would be all for the reading, Capricorn. And if you like the reading and the reading resonated with you, do like the video. Also, don't forget to claim the reading, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.